Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Udgave. I am working as Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Yadram, Itzelganj. I hope you all are safe and healthy during this pandemic situation of COVID-19. First of all, I congratulate all the students who have passed 12th standard examination and I wish best luck for their bright future. I am here to share a few things regarding Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana PMKVY. I will start my video with a very famous statement of our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. He said that if we have to promote the development of our country, then our mission has to be skill development and Skill India. Skill India is an initiative of Government of India. It was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 15 July 2015 with an aim to train over 40 crores of people in India in different skills by 2022. Vision of Skill India is that NSDC was set up as a part of National Skill Development Mission to fulfill the growing need of India for skilled manpower across sectors and narrow the existing gap between the demand and supply of skills. For this, we have to upgrade skills to international standards through significant industry involvement and develop necessary frameworks for standards, curriculum and quality assurance. Features of Skill India are the emphasis is to skill the youth in such a way so that they get employment and also improve entrepreneurship. To provide training, support and guidance for all occupations. Introduction to Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana PMKVY. Skills and knowledge are the driving forces of economic growth and social development for any country. Presently, the country faces a demand-supply mismatch as the economy needs more skilled workforce due to change in demographic profile of the country, with 54% of its population under 25 years of age, rising aspiration of the youth seeking better jobs and growing expectations of an employer for an efficient, well-trained workforce to contribute to the economy of young India. The 12th five-year plan document of the Planning Commission has laid a special emphasis on expansion of skill-based programs in higher education. It recommends setting up of skill development center to serve multiple needs including career-oriented education and skills to students interested in directly entering the workforce and general interest of courses to the community of personal development and interests. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana is a unique initiative by the Government of India that aims to offer 24 lakhs of Indian youth meaningful, industry relevant, skill based training. Under this scheme, the trainees will be offered a financial reward and a government certification on a successful completion of training and assessment, which will help them in securing a job with better future. Key characteristics of Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Program aims to impart skill training to youth with a focus on first time entrance to the labor market and class 10 and class 12 dropouts. Program will be implemented by Union Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship through the National Skill Development Corporation NSDC training partners. Training would include soft skills, personal grooming, behavioral change for cleanliness, good work ethics. The objective of Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana is to enable a large number of Indian youth to take up industry relevant skill training which will help them in securing a better livelihood. Sector Skill Councils SSC. They create occupational standard and qualification bodies, develop competency framework, conduct train the trainee program, conduct skill gap studies, and assess and certify trainees on the curriculum aligned to national occupational standards developed by them. Till date, the NSDC board has approved 38 sector skill councils. Out of them, Some are as follows: Construction Skill Council of India, Telecom Sector Skill Council, Tourism and Hospitality Skill Council, Agriculture Skill Council of India, etc. PMKY admission process. Any person may join such programs as per the eligibility criteria. There shall be no age bar for admission under this scheme. The applicants seeking re-entry to the program should get preference in the admission over the new applicants. The school dropouts who want to pursue and attain higher order skills and living in the vicinity of the college or polytechnic. First step is the enrollment at PMKY Training Center. First of all, find PMKY affiliated training center offering a skill development course of your choice. Enroll in a course of your choice and one you are eligible for. At the time of enrollment, you will be required to provide your Aadhaar card and bank account details. After enrollment, the training you will receive at a PMKY affiliated training center is aligned to the National Occupational Standards NOS and Qualification Packs QPS that have been formulated by Sector Skill Council SSC for each job role. After training, at the end of your course, you will be assessed by SSC approved assessment agency. If you pass the assessment and have a valid Aadhaar card, you will receive a government certification and a skill card. Trainees can undergo the assessment at any number of times, but they are required to pay the assessment fee again. After skill certification, placement assistance and counseling will be offered to all successful candidates, and placement as far as possible should be made with minimum disallocation. Requirements for admission. At the time of admission, students should have age proof, passport size color photograph, Aadhaar card, bank details, enrollment form, etc. So the last thing which is coming in your mind right now is where I can get these PMKY courses. The answer is of course in Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Yadra, Itsalganji. I am happy and excited to announce that we at SIT COE Yadra having job role name as Assistant Electrician, which is coming under Construction Sector Skill Council of India. The Assistant Electrician job role having national 400 hours with preferably 10th class minimum qualification. These are some glimpses at the time of assessment assessed by Construction Skill Council as per the norms which are prescribed by NSQF approved independent third party agency approved by NSDA. Also, these are some glimpses of certificates which will be awarded by respective sector skill council on successful completion of training. Now, let's go through a list of world leading companies in which we offer placement opportunities to students. To name a few here on the screen are Centel, Bajaj, Phenolix, Tata, Ezaki, Parametrics, etc. Now I will end my video with a quote that सफलता चलकर नहीं आती, हमें उस तक पहुंचना पड़ता है. ठीक उसी तरह जिस तरह भगवान ने हर पक्षी के लिए भोजन तो दिया है पर उसके घोंसले में नहीं. Thank you. Thanks a lot. For more details, you can find at www.sitcoe.org.in or you can contact us on mail or on phone which is appearing on the screen. Thank you.